You spun it counterclockwise to get it out. You spin it clockwise, putting it back in. Pull it all the way up. Hold it with your thumb. Line up these notches here. See, you got one there. I'll rotate it there. So you want to wind up like that. Give y'all all angles. Like I said, just hold it with your thumb. And the reason you want to make sure it's all the way in is so that firing pin is all the way inside the group. I think it moved on me. Like I said, this is the hardest part. Making sure that it's all the way lined up straight. That's it. Once you put that in, slide the spring back in. You may want to twist it, as this does go on the outside. This rides on top of your bolt. Once you do that, you drop it back down. Gun is reassembled. Got your bolt catch there, bolt release there. So I hope this video is beneficial to someone. Like I said, this will help with an AK-47 as well as the Molot, and that is M-O-L-O-T, Molot Vepr, V-E-P-R, V-E-P-R 12. So, man, like I said, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Like, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on the notifications. I've got plenty more videos to come. I've got about 6 more guns to review, and I plan on purchasing more in the near future. Definitely, the Ruger 5.7 is on my list. The Springfield Hellcat is definitely on my list. Those two are probably going to be coming up in the near future. So, like I said, like, subscribe, make sure you turn on the notifications. I appreciate you guys, man. Much love. Peace.